Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here. Today, I thought I'd try to breathe some life back into my diamond plate. Now, in my Wayback Time machine, this one up here, I remembered that Trend sent along a little eraser. And this eraser is used to clean the diamond plates. So, I figured, why not give it a try? So I've been working on this just for a few seconds, brushing off the rubber that comes off of the eraser. And this is what I've got so far. Can you see the difference? This side seems shinier than this side. So perhaps I can breathe some life back into this. Now, I have seen some videos where people use their diamond plates dry. They don't use any fluid. Well, I don't agree with that. I feel you need to move the swath away. Yeah, swarth. That's the name of the filings that come off of the steel when sharpening. Swarth. There's a lot of words that we don't use generally in a daily vocabulary, like fettling, to fettle. In other words, to adjust. So you fettle your plane. So let's see. I'll let you know how this works. I've got another video coming up with a conundrum, and we shall see if my conundrum makes any sense or not. That's what this little stick is for. So I hope you're having a good day. You may have seen my garden walkabout. It's a boring video, but just kind of shows the other side of what I do here. I'm not just a pretty face, you know. We do serious work here, like feeding the family. So there we are. So now what I might do is take a little cleaner to it and clean it up. I'll try it on the 300 side as well. So let me know what you think. Diamond plates and eraser. Does it work? Have a great day. Walter out.